Which of the following describes a straight? A. Extending or moving uniformly in one direction only. B. A narrow passage of water. Or C. Move away aimlessly. The definition of straight is B. A narrow passage of water. But how can you answer this question without prior knowledge of the word? The good news is that with questions like these, usually the other two definitions are for words that sound similar to the given word. Let's go through the other choices for some examples. Extending or moving uniformly in one direction only could also be simply straight. Although it's pronounced the same as our given word, the spelling is different. And move away aimlessly can be referring to stray, as in to stray from the path. Both of these words sound like our given word, straight, but are not the same. Therefore, B, a narrow passage of water, can be marked as our final answer.